Hey everyone, and welcome to Shakira Lee Beauty. I am Shakira, and thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you are in the know. And so let's get right on into it. I just want to share with you all some of my top skincare and beauty secrets for the year 2018. And towards 2017 last year, 2017, I started to get more into preventative care, really heavily into it, as well as injectables. And I know that there are some kind of negative ideas behind injectables and fillers, and I actually did an interview with the dermatologist in Washington, D.C. by the name of Dr. Battle. He did, well, his clinic did my first set of lip fillers with Juvaderm 2 summers ago, right? Yeah, not this summer, but last summer. I went and I got my first set of fillers, and it went perfect. I did not have any issues, no adverse reaction or anything like that. So if you're interested in fillers, I'll leave a couple of videos that I did for my other channel, Glow Beauty Wellness, so that you can be informed and so that you are not afraid to go ahead and get your injectables if that's what you want to do. So I started that, and it's something that I'm definitely going to do for ever, probably, because as we get older, we lose volume naturally. So in my lips, I've never had really big lips, and in fact, I feel like my lips have gone down quite a bit. I think the last time I got my fillers was in the spring, let's say around May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So it's been at least 5 months. I know that much. It was hot outside, and it's a little bit more fall-like here in Texas. So anyhow, fillers and injectables are my beauty secret, and they are actually Hollywood's beauty secret. You know, these Hollywood actresses that we all love and we think, oh, she went vegan, that's why she looks so good. That's not necessarily the truth, and I'm not going to say that it's all of the actresses that are getting things done and that are just not telling us, but women like Angela Bassett, Jada Pinkett, Vivica Fox, we all know, even Halle Berry, they have all had work done. The most beautiful women, the late Kim Porter, she had work done, beautiful, but great, but like graceful. And even though Kim Kardashian's transformation has been very drastic, at this point, her work, well, she's got more work, but she obviously gets fillers, and I know she gets other stuff done. But anyhow, this is how they're keeping themselves looking so youthful and beautiful. And it's not necessarily out of the reach of, you know, everyday women like you and I. We can definitely get our hands on some of these beauty treatments. You just have to kind of like budget, use Groupon and stuff like that. But you also don't get these things like every 3 months. Depending on how fast you metabolize, I think that I metabolize my fillers and injectables pretty quickly because I work out a lot. And so if you got a fast metabolism, you might metabolize your fillers a little more. Anyhow, so the one woman that comes to mind that has been very vocal about what she gets done is the beautiful Christy Brinkley. I remember when if she's like 60 or something like that, or closer to 70, and looks absolutely amazing. And I know that she is pretty much vegan, but I read an article where she admits that her guilty pleasure is champagne and oysters. But she says she gets skin tightening services. She gets Xeomin, which I've tried, which I actually really like. I've tried Dysport as well. I have not tried Botox yet, but between Xeomin and Dysport, I like the Xeomin better. Anyhow, she says that that is how she keeps her beauty. You know, or keeps up her beauty. She does the skin tightening because as we age, things will start to sag. It is just, you know, natural. The next thing is going to be skincare, and I will show you several different things that I use. I have gotten into the whole K-beauty thing and the Japanese beauty thing, but the things I'm going to show you I feel like are pretty accessible, and because a lot of the Japanese beauty and the K-beauty stuff is really expensive. So anyway, let's start with the facial cleanser. This was sent to me by mixeasy.com. They did not pay me to talk to you guys about this. They did send it to me for free, and this bottle is basically almost done. So the great thing about this company, I also have a shampoo and a conditioner. that I was able to formulate on my own. So let's say you have oily skin, dry skin, like I have oily skin, which turns into semi-dry in some areas during the winter months, as well as acne prone. You can pick your ingredients based on what your skin issues are. So I was able to formulate it specifically for anti-aging, shrinking my pores, oily skin, and all that jazz. So make sure when you're looking for skincare that you're getting things that are specific to your needs. Even though things like the K-beauty trend is really big, you do want to you want to do your research and make sure you're getting things that are formulated for your skin. So next, here's another cleanser. Actually, I have two from this brand. Tony Moly, which I get on Amazon.com. I get the banana cleanser as well as the peach punch sweet foam cleanser. These are Korean products that you can get on Amazon.com, and I absolutely love these products. Keeps my skin clear. I mean, I use a bunch of different cleansers, but these three that I just showed you are my favorite. I have expensive products like Shiseido, but these are the best in my opinion. Now this is under 15 bucks. I believe this Mix Easy is about 30 bucks, but you guys, when I tell you that it lasts for a very long time, I'm not lying. I got this in the summertime and it is the end of December, so it lasts a long time. So the other cleanser I'm going to show you, it's actually my shower, but it's something that I get from Amazon as well. It's a lightening soap. It is not a skin lightening soap or bleaching soap. It is to fade dark spots. So I use that in the shower, and I will pop that somewhere in the video so that you can check that out as well. The next products that I use are oxygen products, which I carry, which I will link, of course, for you all. And these oxygen products are awesome because they have CBD in them. They have anti-aging properties, collagen, retinol, sorry. And this is a moisturizer. So I use this at night only. This one is the anti-aging moisturizer. And then I also have the Rescue Moisture Cream. This is perfect for skin that is red. Like sometimes I'll get redness around here. And scars that I'm trying to heal, I put this on as well. It works wonders. All these oxygen products have CBD in it. Now, this one, this Rapid Anti-Aging Serum, is for the eyes, puffiness, and wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, but again, this is about prevention. You want to get on top of things before it starts to happen, okay? So, Rapid Anti-Aging Serum. It's got hemp derived CBD in it as well. And so this tightens up the under eyes. And even though I don't have wrinkles or bags, I still use it as prevention. Another awesome brand that I was introduced to is called May Love. And this is the Night Renewal Glycolic Acid Cream. And I love this stuff. They also have, or had, they sent me this to review on my other channel, Glow Beauty Wellness, and they sent me a anti-aging serum, which is $28, which is kind of unheard of, but they have kind of cut out the middleman, and the middleman meaning the department stores, so that way you don't have to pay $200 for a serum and for beauty. But this is their glycolic acid cream, which smells like chemicals, but it's awesome. It is like a cleaner product created by MIT students in Silicon Valley, and I will leave their information below as well. Other things that you should do, which go without saying: drink enough water, take or consume foods that are going to support your beauty goals. So in other words, don't eat a whole bunch of fast food. Try to really eat things that are going to boost your beauty instead of deplete your beauty. If you have any questions regarding anything that I mentioned or any tips of your own, please pop them in the comments below. And as always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.